Top 10 underwater and environment trades thriving in 2026. Imagine going to work 300 feet below the ocean's surface. Pitch black, freezing cold, massive steel structures towering over you. Imagine welding pipelines underwater, repairing offshore oil rigs, or operating robots worth millions of dollars in the deep sea. Now imagine doing all of that without a college degree.
What?
And you're getting paid more than most office jobs ever will. In 2026, some of the highest paying and most secure skilled trades aren't on the land at all. They're underwater, offshore, in extreme environments most people are too scared to even consider. I'm JV Charles with over 30 years of real-life trade skills experience. And on this channel, we're focusing on bringing you the latest info on getting into or switching over to a high-paying career with tons of perks without all the student debt that's going to weigh you down for years to come. But before we get into the list, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. It's free to you and it helps me keep bringing the latest skilled trades to you every single week. Now, the world still runs on infrastructure, energy, internet cables, shipping, offshore wind, oil and gas, bridges, ports. All that infrastructure needs to be built, inspected, repaired, and maintained, often in places machines can't fully handle alone. In 2026, demand is exploding because offshore energy is expanding fast. Aging underwater infrastructure needs repairs, subsea robotics is growing rapidly, and skilled workers are retiring faster than replacements are trained. That combination means fewer workers and higher paying for those who are willing to do the work. And the biggest advantage? Most of these careers don't require a 4-year degree. They require skills, certifications, and real-world experience. Instead of the end, we'll all give you some tricks on how to enter these trades debt-free. So let's get into it.
A good wage, even if you don't go to college. We want to empower people who want to work with their hands to earn a good wage and do a good job.
Number 10, saturation diver, commercial diving technician. At number 10, we start one of the most extreme trades on earth, commercial diving technicians and saturation divers. These are the professionals who live and work under pressure, literally. Commercial divers perform underwater construction inspections, salvage work, and repairs on everything from ships to bridges and offshore platforms. Saturation divers go even further. They live in pressurized chambers for weeks at a time so their bodies can work at extreme depths. This is not a casual career, but the pay reflects it big time. Entry-level commercial divers can earn between $135,000 to $150,000 a year. Experienced divers can make up to $180,000 to $200,000 a year. Saturation divers on offshore contracts can earn $200,000 plus annually. Most divers enter through commercial diving schools and certifications, not college. So ditch the 4-year degree. This might be the career for you. Many employers help cover training costs because qualified divers are in short demand all the time. And number 9, underwater welder. It's one of the most visually impressive trades in the world, underwater welding. Underwater welders combine commercial diving with advanced welding skills to repair and build submerged structures. They work on pipelines, oil rigs, bridge pilings, ships, and offshore platforms. The pay can be extremely high because the work is dangerous, technical, and mission critical. Entry-level underwater welders may start around $40,000 to $60,000 a year just to start. When you get more experience, underwater welders regularly earn $80,000 to $150,000 a year. Top saturation welding specialists can earn well over $200,000 a year. The path in it is not college. It's welding certifications, and underwater welding codes and commercial diving credentials are crucial. This is a trade where skill matters more than degrees.
Oh yeah!
Number 8, offshore pipe fitter and pipe welder. Man, this is a crazy career. Offshore platforms are packed with high-pressure piping systems that carry oil, gas, and chemicals. Pipe fitters install, maintain, and repair those systems in some of the toughest conditions on the planet. They read blueprints, line massive pipe systems, and perform precision welds offshore. Entry-level pipe fitters can earn $80,000 to $100,000 per year. Experienced offshore pipe fitters and welders can earn in excess of $180,000 a year, sometimes over $200,000 a year. with overtime and offshore premiums. One of the best ways is through the union apprenticeships. You earn while you learn and graduate debt-free with real experience.
That call was perfect.
Number 7 includes offshore rig hands, roughnecks, and drilling assistants. These roles are physically demanding but often overlooked. Rig hands help run drilling operations, maintain equipment, and keep offshore platforms running smoothly 24/7. Many people start with no experience and they work their way up. Pay can be surprisingly strong due to long rotations and hazardous conditions. This is one of the fastest ways to break into the offshore work without formal education. Number 6, underwater inspection technicians. These specialists inspect underwater welds, pipelines, and structures to identify cracks, corrosion, or damage. They use advanced tools, cameras, and sometimes remotely operated vehicles to perform detailed inspections. Their work keeps infrastructure safe and operational because safety is critical. Experienced inspectors are highly valued and well compensated. This role often builds on diving or technical backgrounds rather than college degrees.
That's nice.
Number 5 on the list is one of the fastest growing trades you've probably never heard of, subsea robotics technician, also known as ROV operators. ROVs are underwater robots used to explore, inspect, and repair deep sea infrastructure. ROV technicians operate these machines, maintain them, and troubleshoot complex systems offshore. Entry-level ROV roles often start between $45,000 to $85,000 per year. Experienced operators and technicians can earn 6 figures easily. Many of these people enter through vocational programs, electronics training, or hands-on apprenticeships. This trade blends technology with sheer adventure.
The time has come for us to ride on to our next adventure.
Number 4 is hyperbaric and saturation system technicians. These professionals manage the pressurized chambers that keep saturation divers alive. They monitor gas mixtures, pressure levels, and life support systems. Mistakes are not an option, and that responsibility comes with strong pay. Most technicians enter through certification programs and on-the-job training. No traditional college needed on this one either, guys. Number 3 is subsea cable and pipeline technicians. These workers install and repair underwater power cables, internet lines, and energy pipelines. This trade supports global communications and energy systems. It requires precision, specialized tools, and offshore experience. Skilled technicians are in growing demand, and underwater infrastructure expands worldwide more and more each year. And number 2, offshore crane and rigging operators. These operators move massive loads on unstable platforms surrounded by ocean conditions. They handle heavy machinery, critical lifts, and complex rigging operations. With offshore experience, safety certifications, and union training, many operators earn 6 figures. This is a powerful trade for those who thrive under pressure. And coming in at number 1, robotics and automation specialists for the deep sea. This is where skilled trades meet advanced technology. These professionals manage robotic systems, automation controls, and AI-assisted subsea operations. As offshore industries modernize, this role is becoming extremely valuable. Many specialists earn well over $100,000, and most enter through certifications, technical training, and field experience, not 4-year degrees. So you might be asking, JV, how do you enter these trades debt-free? Well, here's how. People actually get in these careers without college debt, no problem. First, target apprenticeships and employer-sponsored training programs. Second, stack industry certifications instead of degrees. Third, start at an entry-level position and build experience fast. And fourth, network inside the industry. Referrals matter more than resumes. And finally, be mentally and physically prepared. These jobs aren't easy, but that's why they pay so well and offer great benefits also. Now look guys, these trades aren't for everyone, but for those willing to work hard, face challenges, and step outside the normal path, they offer freedom, income, and real adventure. College isn't the only way forward in 2026. Skilled trades in extreme environments are proving that adventure still pays. If you want more content breaking down real trades, real pay, and real paths without debt, subscribe to JV Charles TV, comment below which trade you want a full deep dive on, and we'll do it. This is JV Charles. We'll see you next time where skilled trades earn respect and real money.